frío. Es perfecto para plantarlo uno mismo o para regalar. Además, con una sola planta puedes cosechar desde la
Pasta, known as the unkillable blooming machine. Its deep black and bright blue tones blend together like something from another planet. By your front door in December, your home will instantly become the standout of the entire street. It thrives in extreme heat, stays strong through freezing cold, and even grows well in full shade.
Put a couple in your yard and you'll even save money on fruit. Our saplings are already 2 years old, so if you plant one now, it will bloom and produce fruit before next winter. The cherries are large, perfectly.
Let me show you something. These simple AI videos that you can see have generated in the last 7 days $16,620 in revenue. Even crazier, this product offers a commission of 19%. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create these videos using VO3 in less than 10 minutes. And I have got a complete video here, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Quick profile of the product. So it's a mission fig tree live plant. It retails around $34 to $69. It carries 19% commission on TikTok. Whenever you make a sale as a TikTok shop affiliate, that is how much money you're going to make out of this revenue up here. Got the total revenue here, which I've already mentioned, 16,620 in under the last 7 days, 475 units sold. We can see this graph line here, which is going upwards, indicating high interest in this product recently. And there's something that I think may be happening here, which I'm not going to reveal just yet. If you stay with me up until the end of the video, the shop may be cheating the system a little bit here in a ethical way, shall we say, but I'm going to reveal it a little bit later on here. Quickly taking a look at the content creators that are absolutely crushing it with this product. We've got this one here, 11,930 in the last 7 days, 341 units sold. And then we've got this one here, 78 units sold. Now, what I'm finding quite interesting is a lot of these are small accounts, 2,000 followers. 2,000 followers, 1,000 followers, which I find very interesting. And I'm going to circle back to this in just a second and let you know why I find this very interesting. These are the video ads. We've just looked at them at the start of the video.
Esta es una nueva variedad de higo gigante. Está rico y
Pretty straightforward as far as AI goes. You've probably seen these everywhere.
Incredibly easy to plant and care for. Even indoors, with just a little water, it blooms
beautiful. And they are so realistic now.
Sweet, thin-skinned, and super juicy, absolutely delicious. And don't even worry about the price.
Really interesting way to take advantage of this AI gold rush and get yours in while you still can. It's nearly 2026. In January, there's going to be a huge rush of people with those New Year's resolutions trying to get in the game. So if you don't start now, you may find yourself lost. And by the way, I have got a Amazon storefront where I link products such as this if you are wanting to get the product quickly so you can test it quickly as well. It's entirely optional to you. I will leave a link in the description. But again, if you are using AI, you may not necessarily need to test it. It's entirely up to you. How did I go about reverse engineering these videos? Now, I'm using a website called KaloData here. And with KaloData, on each one of these video ads, you have an option to export the storyboard. Now, what the storyboard is, if I click on this video ad here, and what I can do is go ahead and export script here. So if I highlight export script, I've got the option for storyboard export. Now, storyboard export, as you can see here, it's a feature that allows you not just to get the video script, it allows you to get the entire storyboard. So the visuals, the tone, the style of the visuals, and so forth, along with the script. And now the beauty of this is it allows you to take this information and move it onto another platform, your platform of choice, where you can use it as inspiration to create a similar video. Dangerously easy. And this is why this is so time sensitive, because a lot of people are going to be able to get in. The barrier to entry is not very high. And I can see in 3 or 4 months time, TikTok jumping in and saying, actually, let's start banning some of these Sora VO3 videos. There's too many of them, blah, blah, blah. Even though I doubt they will, because they're making money out of this and no one is breaking the law. So we have now got a storyboard, as you can see here. And the beautiful thing about KaloData, which is linked in the description as well, by the way, if you want to trial it out for yourself, is as the video is playing, you can see it's moving along with the storyline. So if I scroll back up, these are the columns that we've got here. We've got scene, visual description, and audio script. So this is what's being said. This is the visual description here, and this is the scene where we are. So it does this amazing job of just breaking it down into these different scenes that you can then use to create a similar video. Talk about using AI to take advantage of this AI gold rush. Now that we've got the storyboard, what I can then do, which I've already done, you can export the script. I don't know why they say export script, because you like exporting everything here. So you can export it, save it somewhere, and then re-upload it onto your tool of choice. But what I did, because I'm, extremely lazy this evening, I just copied from here and I copied everything down here, right, all the way up until down here, grabbed it all, and I went onto ChatGPT here. I pasted the entire storyboard. Now, initially, what I said to ChatGPT was, please analyze this TikTok shop AI video storyboard and come up with a detailed prompt that I can input prompt into Leonardo AI to make a similar AI video, a similar 33-second long video, because these videos are around 33 seconds long. So what I then did from there is paste the storyboard onto here. It was quite a long storyboard, a lot of detail here. ChatGPT straight away has gone and created a similar storyboard for me as well. And the beautiful thing, and the reason why I specifically said Leonardo AI there, and which I think is a good idea if you are going to trial this out as well. Chat knows these AI tools. It's got this well of information that's going to know exactly how these different tools work. Midjourney, for example, might have a completely different engine to Leonardo AI, or it might function completely differently. In video might function completely differently. 11 Labs, all these different tools, Gemini, all these different video making tools, Kling AI, they might function completely differently. And that impacts how the video is going to come together, which is why I specifically said Leonardo AI. So ChatGPT, as it's creating this prompt, it can keep Leonardo AI and how it functions in mind. Chat said, okay, I got you. Let's see what we can do. And it's come up with this amazing prompt here, very detailed, style and quality, camera format, all that good stuff. Negative prompt as well there, avoid, and recommended Leonardo settings. But me being a bit of an idiot, I didn't realize that Leonardo has got a character limit. So Leonardo went ahead and truncated my prompt to around scene 5. So it basically didn't allow me to copy anything past scene 5 here. So I then came back to ChatGPT and I said, thank you for that prompt. However, my prompt is getting truncated to this many characters. This is the character count. I basically just copied the truncated prompt and pasted back into ChatGPT so we can figure out how many characters are there without me having to do it, because again, I'm feeling extremely lazy. So I said, yes, it's getting truncated to this many characters. Go ahead and summarize the entire prompt for me and make it no longer than this character limit. I also said, hey, let's reduce the video length to 8 seconds, because VO3 within Leonardo can only create a maximum of 8 seconds of video. ChatGPT said, say less. There we go. So it's created a prompt for me here, which is for the 8-second video. You can pause the video here and copy the prompt if you would like to. And ChatGPT's gone ahead and given me some other bits of information here, but ultimately I copied this prompt and took it here into Leonardo AI. Now, just going to, I hope I've muted this video here, but this was the result that I generated. I'm just going to play the video first, and then I'm going to go ahead and look at the settings.
We planted these fig saplings a year ago, and look at this harvest. The fruit is absolutely incredible. You have to try these. You have to try these.
Totally realistic, voice quality, brilliant, absolutely happy with that. All I can do now is download that, export it, and use it within TikTok. Now, the interesting thing, before I go ahead and walk you through some of these settings here, if we go back into KaloData here and look at some of these videos that are absolutely crushing it, these AI-generated Talk Shop ads, some of them are only like a few seconds long, right? So we've got this one, this is 42 seconds long, 32, 37, 34, 40 seconds. And I think there is something happening here with this store. This is just theory. I may be wrong, and I'm going to let you know in just a second. I keep noticing it every time I look at these video ads. Go back onto the product page, and there we go. Right, yeah, so only a few seconds long. So a workaround that you can do, because the maximum here is 8 seconds, as you can see on the left of the screen. These are the settings that I went for. The model was VO3. There's all these different models that you can select here. There's Sora. There's all these different ones. Depending on which model you select, that's going to determine how many coins you get charged in Leonardo AI. I think this one was 2,500. So I think if I'm looking for a 16-second long video or 32-second long video, I'm looking at around 10,000 coins. Worth it if you're looking at the potential of how much money you're going to make. I selected 8 seconds, high quality, video dimensions, 9.16, obviously vertical TikTok. Private mode, I don't want this to be shown to the entire community within Leonardo AI. Yes, I'm going to add it to my collection, which is called TikTok Shop AI video ads. And obviously I've selected VO3 here as well, which is what I have used. And literally that's it. That's all I've done. I've taken it from Klo Data, put it onto ChatGPT to be the engine that recreates it all for me. Then I've taken it into Leonardo, and it took 5 minutes to create the video. The only thing that you might just have to get used to is coming up with the prompt to encompass everything, all the detail that you want within a condensed, short, summarized prompt. With AI, that's going to take you about 2 seconds. And just like that, you've got yourself.
We planted these fig saplings a year ago, and look at this harvest. The fruit is absolutely incredible. You have to try these.
Now, I promised you earlier that I was going to show you, or I was going to share with you what my theory is behind this store here. I could be entirely wrong. So put your tinfoil hat on. It's tinfoil hat time, and let us theorize. I think this store is using multiple accounts to promote their product. I find it fascinating, one, that all of these accounts, they've got weird names, all of them. They've got Maya 8959, SZB 2335, 54334, so very weird names. Whereas if you've seen my other breakdowns, usually you'd see straight away that is a human being. That I think they've gone ahead and they've purchased these accounts, not fake accounts, not fake followers, real accounts. They've either purchased them or they've grown them. I would lean more towards purchasing the accounts, because there's quite a few accounts here that they are using. And looking at the followers as well, this for me supports this theory. I do hope they are real followers, because if they are fake followers, I've tested that before, TikTok will pick up. It doesn't pick up on it straight away, but it will pick up at some point that these followers are not real, and they are going to limit your reach drastically to the point where it's not even worth you doing TikTok Shop. By the way, I will link in the description a service that you can use, a genuine service where you can purchase accounts that have already got the minimum follower count that you need in order to start TikTok Shop in USA or in the UK. That is one of the quickest ways if you are looking to get started as a TikTok Shop content creator.